What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another BlendJet 2 smoothie recipe. Today, you guys, as you see, I've made two simple, very delicious smoothies that are quick to make for lunch, breakfast, dinner, any time of the day you would like to drink it. Very easy to make. If you want to see how I make these, just keep on watching. Okay, so for the first smoothie, I will be making a blueberry strawberry banana smoothie. As you see here, I'm going to be using some plant-based almond milk. This is in the vanilla flavor. I usually get the original, but they were out of it at my local supermarket, so I grabbed this one, which it tastes pretty good as well. But I use this, and I just put in about 6 to 8 ounces of almond milk. But you guys, you can substitute this. You can use whatever milk of choice. You can use apple juice, you can use fruit punch, whatever you want to use. You can use water if you would like to use as your base, but for me, I'm going to be using almond milk today. So next, I had some strawberries and some blueberries in the freezer that I just really wanted to go ahead and get rid of, and I'm just going to add that into here. I'm not quite sure the measurements, I'm just using what I had left, but I'm sure probably you can use about a half a cup of each one. It's all your preference. Next, I'm going to be adding some vanilla yogurt that I had left in the fridge that I wanted to get rid of as well. As you see, I don't have much in here. This is probably about maybe a tablespoon and a half or something, but like I said, I'm just using the rest of that. So before I add in my half of frozen banana, I wanted to go ahead and blend up what I do have, because if I put that in there, I just do not want my fruits to get stuck up under the blade and have to do all the shaking and everything. So I'm just going to blend this up some, just probably do one cycle, and then I'll add the frozen banana to it. Okay, now that it is blended, I'm going to pour it into my handy dandy glass just to see how the consistency of it came out. I think it did pretty good. Alright, you all, so for the second smoothie, I will be making a mango pineapple banana smoothie. And again, I will be using my vanilla almond milk as my base. And like I said before, you can use whatever base you would like. Next, I'm going to be adding some frozen pineapple chunks to the blender. And again, I'm not measuring, I'm just putting some in there. And like the previous smoothie, I am going to go ahead and blend this up before I add my other frozen fruit so that I can get it blended well. Next up, I'm adding some frozen mango chunks. And again, I'm not measuring, I'm just putting some in there. So now that I have blended the mango and the pineapple, I'm just adding half of a frozen banana, and I'm actually going to put just a little bit of more almond milk just to make it a little bit thinner, because I see that it is a little thick to blend. So hopefully this helps. So after all of that blending, I am now about to pour into my handy dandy glass, as you see here. And you guys, that was just a big clunk of the smoothie coming out together. It is blended and it is thick. Alright, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. You guys, let me know in the comments if there is any other smoothies that you would like to see me make with my BlendJet 2. I'll be glad to do it. See you in the next one. Peace.